What's up, YouTube? We back at it again. Another fucking video, because nigga fucked up my fucking door. But you know, my dog got hooked me up with some M3 mirrors. Shout out the homie. I'm not gonna lie. What color is this? I don't even know what color this is, like. With the white. I mean, it's just for now. Look it. Alright, we gotta install them. So, I'm supposed to take this off. Look right there. What's good, y'all? Take the new mirrors. Hey. And my hole in the door. Two-tone. I gotta get them painted. At least we got real M3 mirrors though. They're actually sick. What's good, guys? Me and my dad are going to take the car to my sister's boyfriend so he could fix it. 135 look clean. Actual heli. What the hell? Yo guys, what are these Benzes called again? I don't remember. These are hard. I fought with them. That one right there is sick too, I'm not gonna lie. No kizzy. Look, he want a Benz? A Benzie? So does he pull up in a Benzie? 135 clean. This shit too lit. We really outside. Alright, so this is a POV video. We got Shady with us.
You got me fucked up. Cause I'm not even dissing you. You got me fucked up, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking a lit, homie. Like, what you talking about?
Nigga, we outside. I know y'all like the fit. Alright, today guys, we're vlogging GTA. Nah, for real though. We vlogging shit. Taycan. Hard body. Got the double R. That shit hard.
What?
Guys, look at this M4. That shit's clean. I wish I had M4. Thank. I'm at work, guys. Look at all the Beamers. Park next to me. Beamer.
That's my fucking battery, dog. Yo, I don't know what that is. You just saw the fucking
I'm sorry,
customer?
I don't know what the fuck that was.
Customer's mad about his battery.
This guy's a fucking
The
piece
YouTube
of
title.
shit. Are you gonna steal my car next?
Guys, look at this car. This guy's truck is sick. What? Yo, look at this Impreza, guys. Rims go crazy. I asked him if he was on bags. He said he was static. Look, guys. I'm about to get Smoothie King. Look at this Beamer. This is a new 5 Series. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. It honestly looks better than I thought it looked in person. Look, guys. Corvette. My boy Randy just left. Oh, that's so clean. C5, right?
Huh?
C5, right?
Yeah.
C5 Corvette. This thing is super clean. You should let me and my coworker detail it for you. Oh, look at the interior, guys. Oh my, it's so comfortable in here too. Dude, you gave me the keys, you let me start it? Oh my god, I'm like a big kid right now.
Pop it a little bit.
Oh, you said rev it? Oh my god. I go. Damn. This thing is sick. Damn, that customer's car go crazy. I'm gonna get a C6 one day. Look, guys, customer just pulled up. You got E36 too. Real ones know when I had the sedan. This shit is cambered the fuck out though. God. This shit is sick though. Is it stick too? He says a drift car. Oh shit. Then you got the roll cage in here. Yo. That shit is sick. Yeah, Beamers are just crazy.
No, this shit is silly, dog.
Oh my.
They went silly with this shit.
Yo, you have the TVs in the back.
TVs with the iPad.
Guys, this guy's car is sick.
You got the 20s.
Yo, and you have the M package brake kit.
Package.
Oh my, this shit is hard. Yo, look at this guy's engine bay. Like, he says his car only has how much? 20,000 miles? 20,000 miles. This engine bay is so clean, I could eat off of it. Like, look at the belts. Toyotas are good. 2003? Yeah. And what is the Camry? Yeah. Fire. It's nice though.
Everybody got a chance, but I know now it's slim. You don't get past the L, you won't know about the M.
Shit's ugly as fuck. And how to turn it on. Okay. And then
I'm not gonna lie, this is lit.
Because I'm getting the cash first.